The increasing demand for electricity in most countries has resulted in greater usage of fossil fuels as a resource to generate electricity, which are hazardous for our environment as it contributes to global warming. Fossil fuels are forms of greenhouse gases that emit CO2 emissions that are also known as carbon dioxide emissions. Before the use of fossil fuels, the sunlight that reached the Earth would get reflected back into the space. However, as we use more fossil fuels, the increased concentration of the greenhouse gases traps more sunlight and reflects it back to the Earth. This caused global warming and serious consequences, such as melting of ice caps, which could result in a rise in the sea level and which could lead to a flooding and cover the land. So, the solution to this problem is that there are other methods to generate electricity without releasing carbon dioxide emissions, which are known as renewable or alternative energies. These methods generate electricity using renewable sources such as the sun, water, wind, geothermal, etc. Let us take a look at solar energy as a form of renewable energy source, as it is an effective form. Solar energy. Photovoltaic cells of the solar panel takes the photons of the solar sun's potential energy to convert it into electricity. This energy is stored in a grid or battery bank, which can later be used at night when the solar panel is not active. Now, let us discuss the economic advantage of consumption of solar panels. The economic advantage is that once the initial expense is paid, solar panels provide free energy. Using solar panels are unlike the utility companies. Once you pay the initial expenses to purchase solar panels needed for your home, you don't have to spend for energy consumption anymore for another 25 years. Let us take a look at Germany, as it is one of the highest user of solar panels in the world with a record of 24.24 gigawatts GW. In Germany, an average household will need to purchase $2,100 worth of solar panels to have access for the average household's electricity, which is 2,000 kilowatts an hour. If we take an example of Germany, the average household's electricity bill sums up to only 1,150 US dollars, which means that to purchase solar panels that can power 2,000 kilowatt an hour is equivalent to only 2 years value of an average German household's electricity bills, but are equivalent to 25 years of power supply, which is a lot more beneficial than using fossil fuels and the utility company. Although the disadvantage of using solar energy, the economic disadvantage of using solar energy is that it is not so affordable for middle class families in Germany, which consists of more than 50% of its population. And there are no installment plans yet to make solar energy affordable for every homes for a greener environment. Though in the near future this option will be enacted in Germany, and as the supply of solar panels increase, the prices decrease so it can be affordable. Therefore, economically speaking, solar energy shortly will be affordable and accessible to all Germans, as we were working towards cost effective ways to make them accessible for you and establish a green society. Thank you.